Welcome to In Solidum Lawyers channel. Today, we're going to break down the fundamental aspects of customs law, a crucial topic for understanding import and export procedures. Join us. Customs law is one of the most technical and essential branches of foreign trade due to its role in regulating and controlling the flow of goods across borders. In Ecuador, this field is mainly regulated by the Organic Code of Production, Trade and Investment (COPSI) and its regulations, in addition to being aligned with fundamental international treaties and multilateral agreements such as the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade (GATT) and the provisions of the World Trade Organization (WTO). Understanding customs procedures is fundamental not only for complying with legal requirements, but also for ensuring the efficiency and competitiveness of commercial operations. Failure to follow these procedures or non-compliance with regulations can result in administrative and tax sanctions, embargoes, or even the loss of tariff benefits granted by free trade agreements. In this video, we will detail the essential requirements for the import and export of goods, the obligations and responsibilities of foreign trade operators, and the main barriers companies face when interacting with customs authorities. We will also explore how Ecuadorian regulations integrate and harmonize with international provisions, which is essential for any company aspiring to participate in global trade. If your company is involved in international operations or plans to expand into new markets, this video will provide you with the necessary knowledge to face customs challenges with confidence and full compliance. Importing goods into Ecuador may seem complex, but following the correct procedures make it manageable. First, check if the goods you want to import require a specific license, as is the case with chemicals or processed food. If necessary, obtain the appropriate authorization. Then, ensure that you correctly classify the goods according to the harmonized system of designation and coding of goods. This is crucial as it determines the applicable taxes and restrictions. Submit the Customs Import Declaration to the National Customs Service of Ecuador (SENAE), including all necessary documents such as commercial invoice and a bill of lading. After submission, your goods will undergo customs control, which may include document reviews or physical inspections to ensure everything is in order. Finally, make the payment of the applicable customs duties, taxes, and fees so that your goods can be released and enter the Ecuadorian market without issues. Foreign trade operators in Ecuador, such as importers, exporters, and customs agents, play a crucial role in a global trade. Their responsibility goes beyond facilitating the movement of goods. They must strictly comply with the legal regulations in force. A key part of their work is the correct tariff classification of goods, which determines the applicable taxes and restrictions. An error at this stage can result in significant penalties and delays. Additionally, they must ensure that all documentation related to imports and exports is complete and accurate, such as the commercial invoice and certificates of origin. Failure to present these documents can lead to fines or even the retention of goods. Compliance with sanitary, phytosanitary, and technical regulations is also vital, especially for products that affect public health and the environment. Timely payment of taxes and duties is another critical duty, as any failure can delay the clearance of goods and trigger additional investigations. Finally, operators must act transparently and ethically, avoiding unfair practices such as under-invoicing goods. Complying with all these responsibilities ensures not only the legality, but also the efficiency of international trade, protecting both the company and the market. Customs procedures in Ecuador present a series of challenges that can complicate and delay commercial operations. These obstacles not only affect efficiency but can also have a significant financial impact if not managed properly. One of the main challenges is the complexity and constant evolution of customs regulations, governed by the Organic Code of Production, Trade and Investment CUPC, and its regulations, in addition to international agreements. Keeping up with these changes is essential to avoid sanctions and delays. Having specialized advisors in customs law and foreign trade and continuously training staff is key to overcoming this obstacle. Another challenge is the correct interpretation and application of rules of origin, which are crucial for accessing tariff benefits. The complexity increases when products contain components from several countries, and detailed analysis of the supply chain along with close collaboration with suppliers and customs agents is essential to ensure compliance with these rules. Finally, customs control procedures such as inspections and document reviews can cause delays and additional costs. Working proactively with experienced customs agents and ensuring that all documentation in order can minimize these risks. Additionally, programs like Authorized Economic Operators (OEA) offer more agile customs procedures in exchange for strict compliance. In summary, although customs procedures in Ecuador present various barriers, these can be overcome with proper preparation, strict compliance with regulations, and proactive strategies that ensure efficiency and legality in commercial operations. In conclusion, customs law is a fundamental component for any company seeking to participate effectively and safely in international trade. Mastering import and export procedures is not only a legal requirement, but also a key strategy for optimizing operations, reducing costs, and mitigating risks that could affect the integrity of transactions and competitiveness in a global market. In Ecuador, customs regulations governed by the Organic Code of Production, Trade and Investment (CUPC) and its regulations, along with international agreements and the supervision of the National Customs Service of Ecuador (SENAE), require strict compliance and constant updating. Ignoring or underestimating these aspects can result in sanctions, delay, and in the worst cases, the loss of valuable business opportunities. Therefore, it is crucial for foreign trade operators to stay informed, have the right advice, and adopt a proactive approach in managing their customs activities. Continuous training and the use of technology for traceability and document management are essential tools to ensure regulatory compliance and operational efficiency. At In Solidum Lawyers, we are committed to offering you the best advice in foreign trade and customs law, so you can navigate this complex legal field with confidence and precision. Our goal is not only to help your company comply with regulations, but also to maximize the opportunities that international trade offers. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment with your questions or experiences, and share it with your network. Your participation is key to continuing to create valuable content that helps you achieve success in global trade. See you next time.